Welcome back to my channel. So I tried the most viral, the most watched video on how you can make $2 per email. I followed this video step by step. I followed the guidelines step by step. So I'm going to show you my experience on this particular website, how much email I was able to read in a day, how much I was able to make in a day. Does it really worth your time? Does it really pays me? Truly, I'm going to show you every details about the website. If you are seeing for the first time, give you a warm welcome. What we do on this channel is talk on how to make money online and offline, business ideas and tips. If that is what you are interested in, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and also do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload any video. Now let's dive into today's video. Let's go. So what you need to do is to go to your Chrome browser and type in pay to read email. So this is exactly how it's going to look like. You click on gender, either you're a male or female, then you sign up, your first name, email address, and also please make sure that you have a special email you use for all of these online stuff. Do not use your main email address. Okay, then create a password and sign up. You're going to get $3 for signing up for free. You are going to get $3 for signing up. Now I'm going to sign in because I already created an account. And once you sign in into the account, so this is my dashboard. Once you create an account, the amount of $3 will be credited into your account. So this is it. Sign up bonus will be credited into your account, which is $3. It was sent into my dashboard. Now let me show you how the page looks like. Let's go back home. So free ways to earn reward for your online activities: cash surveys, cash offers, earn points, paid email. So this is the only method I have been able to earn from this particular website. So the other way I tried out is cash surveys. I tried out this cash surveys, so this is what it has been showing me ever since I've been trying it out. So I just focus on the paid emails. I spent 3 days doing this website. Trying to earn on this particular website. Per email I read, they gave me 2 cents, 0.02 cents. 0.02 cents. 100 of cents makes $1. I don't know if you're getting it. So you will need to do like at least 100 of this one before you can get $1. So I registered on the 18th of this month, 18th of June 2024, and I was given only 1 email to read. So if you don't want to start clicking on your website, you can just click on the inbox there, click on read, and it's going to just thank you, your account has been credited for reading this email message. Your account will be credited immediately. Then click on this 3 line here, click on it, click on paid email. This is where you're going to see the emails you are yet to read, like the emails you are yet to click on. Did you get? So I've read all these ones. This is the 3rd day, which is on the 20th of June 2024. So I've read all of this. Total amount of money that I got from this 5 email was 10 cents, which is not up to half of $1. Remember I said $100 makes 1 cent. 100 cents makes $1. 100 cents makes $1, and you need $15 to be able to cash out from this particular website. So which means that before you can earn $1, you need to at least have done you need to at least have read up to like 100 of these emails for $1. Before you can now get up to like $12, you need 1,200 emails before you can get that. And per day, which is yesterday on the 19th of 2024, I got only 3 emails to read. And now for the surveys, it's based on your geographics, your location. If you are in Nigeria, there's no assurance that you are going to get a huge amount of surveys like 5 cents, like this 75 cents, 60 cents. All these surveys are not working. Like you cannot, if you click on them, they will just tell you that the surveys you click on is unavailable. Unfortunately, the survey does not match your profile, stuff like that. RC. So I've tried it so many, like more than 3 times, but it's still saying the same thing. So this is the only way I can actually make money. If you are in Nigeria, this is the only way you can make money. So
let's talk about the request for payment.
Request for payment, they say your current cash balance is 3.10 cents. You must earn at least $15 to request a payment, not even $5. You must earn at least $15 to request and more with cash offers and surveys. So that's just it. And now there is no space for me to even add my account details. There's no space there. I would like there's I didn't see anything here. I click on request payments. There's supposed to be a space where you're going to input your account details and stuff like that, but there's none like that in this website. So I don't know the end of this because I can't just keep doing this one for the next how many months. If I could get 1,200 emails to read to have $15 in my account, that's a long journey. If you're not in Nigeria, or you maybe you're in South Africa, some other country, India, Philippines, or any other country, try it out. And I also meant let me go back to home. You can try how the surveys, the cash offers, the endpoints, and also cash surveys. If it's going to actually, at least you can earn 0.50 cents to $1 per survey. Why not starting any money for your opinion? So you can actually try out cash surveys. It might work in your own area, but my own location, especially Nigerians, you might not get these surveys. Okay, you might not get the survey, and you might be lucky to get the surveys. I don't know, but for me, it's just telling me that unfortunately my profile does not match the surveys, so I have to quit and just focus on paid reach. So that's all about the websites. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section. Alright guys, take care. See you in my next video, and do not forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel for more updates on how you can make money.